security bolts. It's like they don't trust you to get into it or something. This is a microwave oven. Need to extract some parts from it. And as you can see, it's almost like they don't want you getting in there. So how do we get in with these little security pin hex heads? Well, this is probably the simplest way of doing it. Instead of getting an extractor bolt or a special drill bit, anything like that, all you really need is a cutting head on a Dremel, or a Dremel, I guess you could technically use a file, hacksaw blade, and this is what you do. Then, after we do that, all we need to do is index typical flathead. And voila. They didn't even use Loctite or anything. Beauty. There's a quick tip for you.